Alright guys, you are welcome to this crypto news channel where I teach people what they can do to make decent living for themselves on the internet, especially through cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Okay, so if you have not subscribed on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that when I make a video that will be valuable to you, you are not going to miss out of it. Okay, that said, today I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade, how to make an high frequency trade using this robust trading software called BitGap. Okay, called BitGap. So the bot is quite easy to use and it has been awesome ever since I came across it. Okay, so but there are a lot of trading strategies that you can deploy while using this bot. There is high frequency trading. I call it high frequency trading. There is low frequency trading, and there is medium frequency trading. So what we're going to be focusing on today is going to be high frequency trading. All of these things have their pros and cons. Okay, they have their pros and cons. They have the advantage and disadvantages. So that is what we're going to be focusing on today. Okay, so right now this is a trade setup for EOS BUSD. I'm doing this because right now Binance is doing zero fee, zero commission when you are trading any pair against the BUSD. So that's just to encourage people. They are trying to encourage people to make use of this stable coin on their platform. All right. So now, real quick, I'm going to walk you through how you can achieve this high frequency trade. Look at this trade here. Okay, I left this open for quite a while now because I know definitely that XRP is going through a lot of tough time now, but I believe strongly that they're going to bounce back later on. And the reason why I leave this trade is because the coin has reached a kind of support for me. Okay, so I entered this trade at a reasonable price. So, and it is expected that once this dust is settled, XRP is going to do X2. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm leaving this bots open right now. So it will keep making bots profit as long as the price is fluctuating around my upper and lower range. Okay, so this is EOS. This EOS, I entered this trade a couple of hours ago. Let me view it so that you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So if you look at this now, I entered this trade about 7 to 8 hours ago. Okay, about 7 to 8 hours ago. How you're going to know is this. Let me show you something. Let me say I shared my link here. I'm going to copy this. Is it copied yet? Okay, let me show you so that you can have an idea of how long this trade has been running. So here is it. Now, if you look at this, let me have a look. View bot. If you look at this, I made this amount of investment for this bot. My lower price target is 2.7405. Then my upper price target is 2.8461. Then I made the take profit is going to be 10%. The stop loss I left it open. The reason why I did that is I know definitely that EOS is fast becoming a stable coin in the crypto space. I know the range. The worst thing that can happen to EOS based on the price history is to do 1.8 USDT per coin. Okay, so and I know definitely after a couple of weeks it's gonna pump up again. Okay, so I feel comfortable leaving this trade open without any stop loss because of my experience in this industry. Okay, but if you are new to this system, please don't make the mistake of making any trade without having your stop loss. Your stop loss could be like 10%, it could be like 15%. It depends solely on your own risk appetite. Okay, so I left that open. Now let's go to the main business. But before we go into that, I'm going to show you this so that you can have an idea of how long this trade has been running. This is a trade that is 6 hours old, 6 hours 51 minutes old, and it has generated this amount of profit in the last 6 hours. Okay, so this one is 3 days, 9 hours 47 minutes old, and it has generated this amount of profit in the last 3 days. Okay, so going by this, all things being equal, if I should leave this trade and it is an high frequency trade and everything is intact, the price is hovering around my price range, it means that this could make as much as 20% in the next 3 days. Okay, so that said, so I'm going to leave a link below in this video. If you want to try out this bot for free for 14 days and make serious amount of money for yourself, you can do that. Okay, so you can sign up for the pro version. The pro version allows you to trade and have access to unlimited amount of trade. If you like, you can do $10 million, you can do $1 billion. It doesn't matter because it is unlimited, unlike the other premium version of it. Okay, so now if you look at this range is quite close to this. I'm going to show you something now. So when I was about to make the setup, look at this. If you place a trade around 2.5, if you make your lower range, let's say I chose this, and if you make your lower range, you can see the bot profit has increased by a few cents, and it's showing on the overall portfolio here. So now let me say the lower range is 2.5, then you make your upper range to be 3.0. Okay, except you use 180 as your grid, because that is only when you can be able to achieve 0.1% grid spacing. And I always encourage people to try as much as possible to make sure that their grid spacing is 0. less than 0.4%. That's really essential if you want to take advantage of this bots. Okay, it should be less than 0.4%. okay, so or at least make sure it is less than 0.4%. Now, as a trader, this 0.1 is high frequency. Anything that is more than 0.5 for me, it is not high frequency trading. High frequency trading means that any slight price fluctuation, the bot is going to take advantage of it. Okay, it's going to take advantage of it. So now, let's say that your capital, okay, because if you want to start this bot now, you need decent amount of capital to achieve that. Okay, you need over 2,000 BUSD to do that. Okay, let me say you are just starting up in this space and you only have 200 USD to do that. It means that you are not going to be able to start this bot. So what you can do is to reduce this grid space. Reduce this grid space to 16. Let's say if you reduce the grid space to this, then it means that, okay, let's make the grid space 15. So with 15 grid space, then you should be able to launch this bot. Okay, the reason why I am not able to launch this bot right now is because I don't have BUSD in my sports balance now, because I am into a trade already, and there is no how I can even launch. Okay, you cannot start several bots on the same trading period. It's not possible. So I can't do that right now. Okay, I can't do that right now. So, but let me, I think I have USDT balance. Let me try this. Let me show you. Okay, look at this. So right now, if I want to launch this bot with this price range, I need minimum of 54 million USDT. Okay, but I'm not going to try that. So let me say that the range is 2.0. So the bot is about what you have in mind, is about what you know, is about how much you can manipulate the. Okay, let me say like 1.5. It is 1.5, then it means that 1.5 is going to be lower. It's going to be lower then the 1.5 is even higher. We don't use 1.2, so that the bot is going to buy around this range. Okay, but instead of typing in the figures, you can just bring your cursor here and drag it downward. Okay, as you want, downward. This is even more flexible. This is more flexible, you know. So then you can bring this also to this level. Okay, so it has tested the resistance here and the resistance here. So let's bring it to this level. So if that's the case, then your investment will be distributed evenly along this range. So every time there is a slight price fluctuation, because this is the grid spacing is at 0.34, so definitely this is an high frequency setup. Okay, so but if you now want to increase the frequency, what you can do also to increase the frequency is to reduce this upper range. You can reduce this upper range by, let me make it 1.6. Of course, this has reduced drastically. 1.6. If it is 1.6, then okay, if I want to achieve like 0.2 IC, 0.2 grid spacing, I can make this 1.45 kind of. Okay, 1.42. How about that? Okay, fine. So with that, the bot will keep buying around this range between the price of 1.42 to 0.964. It will keep buying and sell within that range. So it means that if this coin, the inch token, maintains this price range for a week, then you're going to be in massive profit. Okay, so let's check the backtest result. Let's see what the backtest result looks like. So using these backtest results, you can make 4.7% profits in 30 days. Okay, but to be honest with you, this is just for educational purpose. It does not reflect the true profit potential on this coin. Okay, because this is a new coin that launched few days ago or something. I'm not sure, but if that is the case, okay, there is no how you can get accurate results for that, for the back test. And this is how you're going to know. Let me show you something to prove to you that what you see on the back test is just for educational purpose. It does not reflect the true potential in the market. So let me click on this. Okay, of course, you know, I have a setup on this. So I have a bot set up for this. Now let's go to backtest results. So let's see what the backtest is going to tell us about this. The backtest results says that price is calculated using the total amount of 10 USD distributed evenly among all others grid, and data received. Okay, the level of income in the backtest is not guaranteed, and okay, fine. So look at this now. If you are doing the backtest and you think the backtest result is quite accurate, and you can use that for your future prediction, your future analysis, or your future price projection, or your future profit projection, it's not going to work. Okay, it's not going to work, because if you look at this is 11.43% in 30 days, and plus 139.02% in 12 months. Okay, so and look at this, on the same pair I have done 2.84%. okay, investment change of 2.31% in the last 6 hours. Okay, less than 7 hours. So it means that if I keep doing this, okay, if I keep doing 5% every day, for instance, if I keep doing 5% every day, it means that I could do 150% in a month, all things being equal, as long as the price is in this range. Okay, so definitely the backtest result is not really as accurate as you might think. So it's just for educational purpose on the platform, just for you to have an idea of the possible behavior of that coin in the last 30 days. Okay, so now that's that about the high frequency trade. And another thing I'm going to show you also is the arbitrage. There is an arbitrage opportunity on the platform that you can take advantage of. Okay, on this platform, this is the arbitrage. So we're still waiting for that to load. Okay, so if you refresh this, let me refresh it. It's gonna be like 6 hours or about 7 hours now, I think. Okay, that's 7 hours 3 minutes or so. So what this means is that you can take advantage of the arbitrage opportunity. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, there's an arbitrage between Gemini exchange and which other exchange? Let me say Kucoin. Okay, so there's an arbitrage opportunity here. It means that if you use this amount of money, if you move this, okay, USDT, okay, from here to Kucoin, you are going to make this amount of profits. Okay, that's for the arbitrage. So you can always come to the platform and check if there is an arbitrage opportunity, because the bot is highly sophisticated and it monitors several cryptocurrency exchanges, I mean the top crypto exchanges around the world, to detect price difference so they can take advantage of it. That's for the arbitrage. Then there's a signal opportunity also on the platform. The bot uses the artificial intelligence to sense possible price direction of some coins. Okay, so but when you look at this is the platform where you can take advantage of the arbitrage. For instance, now I may choose to check the signals on Binance also. Then okay, so you have to make sure that this signal turns to green before you take advantage of the signal, before you use the signal. So this signal was generated like 30 minutes ago and it has done 0.18%. This was generated 15 minutes ago, it has done 0.39%. Okay, so that is really awesome. You can always take advantage of that on the platform. So okay guys, that's that about the bot trading. That's that about the high frequency trading, how you can set it up. The core secret is that you should make sure that the green spacing is less than 0.4%. So you have to do all your configuration, all your adjustment to fit into that. Okay, but the risk in high frequency bot trading is that the price might go against you easily, because if there is any massive dump, then you are not going to benefit from that. Okay, so I'm going to show you, let this load, I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So since I started this video and I refreshed the page, you know, the bot has generated a profit of 3%, okay, in the last 7 hours, and it also did an investment change of 2.71% in the last 7 hours. Okay, so right now the price range is here. Okay, so now there is a risk in high frequency trading, high frequency bot trading, and this is the risk. I'm going to show you something here. Look at this. So I'm going to show you something on this Ripple. I'm going to try and view this. Okay, this is the setup on Ripple on Kucoin. If you look at this, today is 27th of the month, and if you look at this trading stopped at 26. Okay, so it means that today there has been no trade today, and there are 100 open orders right now that are yet to be activated. Okay, so what it means now is that I'll be losing opportunity on this trade. Why? I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you the reason why that is happening. The reason why that is happening is that this is, okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you again. I want to show you my upper, this is my upper price range, this is my lower price range. Okay, so the moment the price fell below this range, the bot stopped trading. So right now the price is around 0.29664. okay, and my lower range is 0.32. so definitely my lower range is around here, 0.32. Definitely the bot will stop trading on my behalf. It started from here. I activated trail up, so the trail up trailed the price up to this level. Okay, then the price fell back. So if I had activated this, I've been on this range, okay, if I've been on this range and I did not activate the trail up, there is no how it will throw the price up to this level. Okay, so but the thing is that there is nothing like trail down. As soon as there is anything like a trail down, it will have trailed it downward also as the price was moving. So my range was too tight. It was too tight because I needed something. I needed to make an high frequency trade. So if I had done a high frequency trade and my range was 0.22, or let me say 0.22 to like 0.38, okay, regardless of the price movement, as long as it is within that range, the bot will keep trading for me. So that is the disadvantage of high frequency trading. Let me use this as an example. Also, let me click on it so that I'm going to tell you the possible worst scenario that can happen on this trade. So the possible worst scenario that can happen on this trade is this. My price, my range is this. Look at the range. The range right now is then 2.7405, then 2.8461. That is the range right now. Okay. So since that is the case, then it means that once the price is fluctuating around that range, the bot will keep doing its work. It will keep buying, it will keep selling. Okay. So, but I started the trade from my initial range was 2.5 and 2.62, but because I activated the trail option, as you can see it here, the trail option, this is the reason why it trailed the price up to this level. Okay, it trailed the price up to this level. So wherever the price is going, the bot will keep following it using the same constant range. But where the danger is that should the price drop below 2.78, should the price drop below this point, there's going to be a problem. Should the price drop below 2.7405, there will be problem with the bot. That is when I will experience similar problem that is happening right here. Okay, so if you want to do high frequency trading, make sure that your target is day trading, or you prefer to become a swing trader. Okay, that is what you can do. So as you can see, the trade you're looking at here, I'm going to close it right here before you. As you're looking at it, I'm going to close this trade. So once I close this trade, sell everything at market price, then close the bot for me. Okay, close the bot for me. So once the bot is closed, and I'm going to make another trade right now. I'm going to make another trade. So that I will try and restart the bot. So look at the price history here. So this is my price. Okay, it's yet to update that. It is yet to update that. So maybe I will need to refresh this page so you can see exactly what happened. Okay. Okay, let me say between yesterday and now. Okay, that is not updated yet. So I'm going to try and refresh this page. Let me check the price history again. Okay, it is now updated. It has increased this by plus 4 point something USD. Okay, so that's in the last 24 hours between yesterday and now. I've done this using this bot. I did it on XRP. I did it also on EOS. So right now, before you, I'm going to launch another bot now. Please try and pay attention to it. So currently the price is 2.7. So I'm going to launch for 2.7 and 2.85. Okay, and 2.85. I need to make this an high frequency. So I'm going to increase this to 2.75. Okay, that's 0.3. So I can increase it to 14. Okay, and make it 150 again. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do that. So and I will launch the bots. Okay, this is the minimum that is required to launch the bots. So I'm going to reduce this to 30%. Also, okay, I'm going to start the bots right now. So if I go to advanced, then I'll be able to set the take profit and activate trade up. So I'm going to launch a new bot right there. So let me wait a bit. There's going to be a message. Okay, buy to start this bot. It's necessary to buy this amount of it. Okay, buy right now. So once this bot, I'm going to see the setup here on the active bots. Okay, so from there the bot will start trading. It will start trading until I decide to stop it. So that's that about the BitGab automated cryptocurrency trading bot. And I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope that this video is really helpful to you. Okay, so if you like what I'm doing here, please like this video, ask any question in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification button so that when I make new video on what you can do to increase your profits, to make money online, so you can have the real-time information. So bye.